Yeah, today I feel more confident and quite excited to see the reactions of others. When we are having hair, we look more stylish, we look more confident. When we are attending the meeting and the call, you feel when you look good, you can carry yourself in a pretty good way. Definitely, we feel more confident. Hey, I am Sunil Jacob. My hobby is to play chess. I stay at Mississauga. I work for an IT firm. It's long back, around 7 years back. I started losing hair, and slowly it became. I got a crown. It's like a patch on the head. Slowly, when the hair we are losing, we can't find that difference. All of a sudden, like when we are taking bath, you can see you can see the bald, and that head is, we don't have any hair there. I started searching solutions like a lot of non-invasive and invasive techniques. I started exploring, and then I thought that why don't I put an artificial hair on my head, because it's completely non-invasive and it's good for me. Initially, when we think, when we start to put for the first time, it looks a bit different from our normal look. It will take some time to adapt to this look, I think. Now I'm having a lot of hair, more than my family members, I feel. So it's really cool. Yeah, so it all depends on the personal choice, how you want to feel. Some people say that okay, without hair I'm okay, but in my case, I feel personally that okay, hair is there, means it's also a part of our body. So it is always good to have. Once we are having the system available, why don't we use it? And I feel personally, if my head is full of hair, I feel good. Okay, so it all depends from person to person. Superhairpiece, definitely the service is fantastic, and I got the appointment. They were on time. Everything was really perfect, I feel.